Welcome to the course. It's finally here, and I'm so excited to share my very first freelancing course with you. Over the past 3 years as a freelancer, so many friends, especially fellow parents, have asked me how I make money online. They want to take back control of their careers while still being present with their kids. And I get it. I was once in the same spot, clueless about where to start, overwhelmed by all the information out there. I actually spent countless hours watching tutorials online, enrolling in courses, and trying everything I could just to figure things out. It wasn't easy, but through trial and error, I finally built a freelancing career that gives me the freedom and flexibility I always wanted. And now I'm handing over the shortcut to you. So by the end of this course, you will have the essential tools, the skills, and the confidence to your first client and start getting paid as a freelancer. No more guessing, just a clear, actionable path to kickstart your journey. Let's do this.